how to fix Steam Missing DLL Error. First, you want to simply restart your PC over here. If you are facing any kinds of problem, you want to tap on your start icon, tap on power button, and here you'll be able to find the restart option. You want to simply restart your PC and once the PC has been restarted, you want to simply open your Steam again. If you're using the application, you can simply open the application as well. However, if you're using a browser, you want to simply open the Steam website over here. Once you're inside your Steam, what you want to do is you want to simply open the game's properties over here. You want to simply tap on the game, and by doing so you'd be able to see all kinds of informations and properties about that game as well. After that, you'd be able to select the installed files option over there, and once you have searched for the installed files, you'll be able to choose the verify integrity of game files as well. After that, you want to simply allow Steam to replace missing or corrupted files. After that, you will be able to after that, what you want to do is you want to simply update the Windows, and once you have done so, you'd be able to update your graphic drivers as well if the error keeps on continuing, and launch the game again once you have finished all that process. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.